Congratulations on purchasing the AVS Carflector. You have made a great investment toward protecting your car and keeping your hood in showroom shape. As you know, the AVS Carflector is custom made specifically for your car to ensure a perfect fit while adding a stylish new look. And your new AVS Carflector features an easy, no-drill installation including all the hardware you need for a secure, car wash safe fit, mounting directly off the hood to allow for easy waxing and cleaning. So let's take a look at just how easy it is to install your Carflector. Believe it or not, the whole process takes less than 10 minutes. Pop the hood and test fit the Carflector hood shield to see exactly where it's going to attach. Take your time and make sure all the holes align. You're going to attach the hood shield from the inside, so center the hood shield again and align the holes to easily place the screws working from the center to the outer edges. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the screws to secure the Carflector into place. The last step is to attach the bump stops, which adhere directly to the hood and are designed to protect your paint job should the shield be hit by a rock or debris. Your Carflector is now installed and you're ready to hit the road. We hope you enjoy all the advantages this stylish version of the Carflector provides your hood, fender, and windshield. Be sure to visit our website to register your product for its limited lifetime warranty.